philosophy around shading and detail.
So many artists, they'll have several distinct processes. They'll outline, they'll shade, they'll color. My shading and my coloring tend to be kind of integrated into each other as part of the same process. I definitely will start with a sense of where I want my dark and light areas to be, and the strong blacks usually are going to get applied early on in the piece. But I'm also already starting to add some of those shadow colors in the very early parts of the tattoo. I'm dipping between blacks and purples. Later on in the piece, I might be doing lighter colors, but still dipping into those opaque grays and doing additional shading all the way up until the very last stages of the tattoo. Yes, you can shade and then you can color, but I would encourage you to think in terms of shading and coloring being kind of two sides of the same coin. Two processes that are happening simultaneously as you work, because color also has dark and light to it. You are shading when you color. You're just shading with color sometimes. So if you're integrating that part of your tattoo process with your black and gray shading part of it, you might find that the piece unfolds in a more natural way.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click here. To start from the beginning of the series, click here. And if you're looking for time-tested tattoo education, you can click this link right here.